What's the best time of year to replace a roof? The answer might surprise you. Think you need to wait for perfect weather to replace your roof? Think again. I'm about to challenge everything you believe about the best time to get your roof replaced. And what I'm about to share might surprise you. Just last January, we installed over 50 roofs in temperatures that most people would consider to be not so ideal for roofing. But here's the thing. Those homeowners saved money and got the same high quality installation as our summer customers. How? Because when you work with true professionals, the season doesn't matter nearly as much as you might think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why waiting for the perfect season could be costing you money and potentially putting your home at risk. After installing thousands of roofs in every kind of weather New Jersey can throw at us, I've learned that what really matters isn't the season, it's the expertise of your roofing team. But before we dive in, let me be clear. This isn't about pushing you to get your roof done in the winter. This is about helping you understand how modern roofing techniques and professional expertise make quality installation possible in almost any weather condition. The Weather Reality Check. Let's start with something every roofer knows but few homeowners understand. Weather reports are rarely accurate beyond 48 hours. Sometimes they're not even reliable within 12 hours. This is why professional roofing companies don't plan their schedules around perfect weather conditions. Instead, we prepare for anything and everything. Think about it. In the roofing business, we're constantly dealing with the full spectrum of weather conditions. One week might give us nothing but sunshine and beautiful temperatures, while the next brings rain, snow, freezing temperatures, or scorching heat. The key isn't waiting for perfect conditions. It's knowing how to work safely and effectively in all of them. Want to learn more about how we ensure quality installation in any weather? Download our free guide, Year-Round Roofing, the Professional's Playbook, by clicking the link in the description below. The winter myth. One of the biggest misconceptions I hear is that you can't install a roof in winter. This is absolutely false. Let me share something that might surprise you. We've had months where we've installed 50 to 60 roofs in January alone. How is this possible? Because winter roofing isn't nearly as challenging as most people think. Most January days in New Jersey average around 40 degrees, which is perfectly fine for roof installation. In fact, we can work efficiently and safely in any temperature above freezing. Our crews are properly dressed for the conditions, and our materials perform well in these temperatures. The cold weather solution. Now, I'll be honest, when temperatures drop below freezing, between 25 and 32 degrees, we do need to take some extra precautions. One of the biggest challenges we face is moisture buildup in the air lines that run our nail guns, which can cause inconsistent nail driving. But we've solved this problem with a specially made antifreeze solution for our air hoses. This is just one example of how professional roofers adapt to weather conditions. Yes, there are days when it's too cold. When temperatures drop to 10 to 12 degrees, it's not safe or practical for our crews to work. But here's what most people don't realize. These extremely cold days are actually quite rare in New Jersey. Even in January, they're the exception rather than the rule. Summer considerations. On the flip side, let's talk about summer installations. When temperatures soar to 95 to 100 degrees in June, July, and August, we face different challenges. These conditions can be dangerous for our crews if we don't take proper precautions. That's why we adapt our work schedule during extreme heat. During hot spells, we might start very early in the morning and finish by late morning, take frequent breaks, or in extreme cases, reschedule for a cooler day. This flexibility is key to maintaining both quality and safety. Remember, a good roofing company prioritizes both the quality of installation and the safety of their workers. The professional approach. What sets professional roofers apart isn't their ability to work in perfect conditions. It's their ability to adapt to any conditions while maintaining quality standards. We achieve this through 1. Proper planning. We monitor weather patterns and schedule accordingly. 2. Specialized equipment, like our antifreeze solution for winter work. 3. Flexible scheduling, adjusting work hours to avoid extreme conditions. 4. Trained crews. Our teams know how to work safely in various weather conditions. 5. Quality materials. We use products designed to perform in most conditions. The year-round reality. Here's the bottom line. In most weeks throughout the year, we're able to work at least 3 or 4 days, even in the coldest or hottest months. Weather delays might push us back a few days here and there, but they rarely affect the overall timeline significantly. This means you don't have to wait for spring or fall to get your roof replaced. In fact, waiting for the perfect season might actually cost you more, as these are the times when roofing companies are busiest and prices often peak. This is also when material manufacturers tend to introduce price hikes. The truth is, there's no perfect season for roof replacement. We deal with rain, wind, and temperature issues throughout the year. It's really about working with the contractor who knows how to handle any weather condition professionally and safely. At Fortified Roofing, we've installed thousands of roofs year-round from January's cold days to August heat waves. What matters most isn't the season, but the expertise and dedication of your roofing team. We have the experience, equipment, and commitment to quality to ensure that your roof is properly installed, no matter the weather. If you're considering a roof replacement, don't wait for the perfect season. It might cost you more in the long run. Call us today for a free estimate and let us show you how we can protect your home any time of year.